Watch out. Oh shit. Watch out, Jess. Jess, watch out.
Son of a bitch! What the hell happened?
I don't know.
Holy shit! I think she got hurt. Shit. I think Tiffany got hurt. I think it blew off right up by her hand.
Somebody got hurt?
Yeah, I think his old lady did.
Hey, I'm certified, so. Hey, hold on, get out of the room, man. Okay, I got it.
Damn, box blew up. That was the problem.
Huh?
Box blew up. Blew up the side.
That's alright. Always take it outside, man. I'm gonna burn my damn ass out. You sure it's a good idea to fucking take the top off?
Yeah, it was supposed to lie.
See?
Really? But anyway, it came out the bottom.
Yeah, and I was yelling at you because the one landed right by you. I was like, Jesse!
I was over there filming this shit. Got a good YouTube show.
I come out here sound like I was back in Afghanistan again. I'm like, that was like not even the good one yet. Right? Hey, y'all can keep sitting here. I'm back there.
Right? I'm gonna go back to the side.
Everybody's sitting in their chairs. He's standing here.
Well, none of the
back
other ones
there.
did that.
Huh?
None of the other ones hide. We should hide for this one. Because that one.
I just come out and he's standing over there. Boom, boom, boom. I'm like, man, I'm in Afghanistan again. Man, I'm getting
All right, next.
Hey.
No, there's two more.